Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this session, we are going to look into how to use ChatGPT to summarize the demographic profile of respondents. Let's assume I've got this data set here and I've got these demographic variables. Now, how do I summarize all of them into one paragraph using ChatGPT? Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and let's say I want age, gender. Let's say I've got employment, job rank, and I've got the type of bank as well. So what I'll do is I'll simply press OK. Now that I've got the tables, I'm going to copy these tables. So you press the control button and then click each of the table. Now I've copied them, Control C, or you can go to Edit and then copy them. Here is Word, paste them, and let's arrange these tables. All borders, all borders, all borders, and finally this table, the last table, all borders. Now I'm going to merge these tables so that all these tables are now one table. Now let's arrange it. All good. Now this is age. So let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Age. This is gender. This is employment. You can do this in Excel as well. Whatever seems easier for you, you can do that. Let's do type of bank. Make it job rank. Make it type of employment so that the variable names are clear for interpretation. This is gender, this is age. Now I'm going to remove these empty cells. Now what I'm going to do is arrange these columns again so that I can delete the unnecessary columns that are not required as part of my results. So this cumulative percentage is not required. So what we are going to do is move your mouse on the top of this column, click it, and then backspace. Now I do not need this column as well, the valid percentage. I'm just going to make some arrangements. Here it is. Just drag this particular divider so that it becomes one single column. Move your mouse here, backspace, all done. Now I'm going to move this one here, this one here. Arrange these categories as well in each of the variable. Let's move this one here. And this is arranged as well. Now you can remove these valid responses as well if you want. Now here's the table with the frequency and the percentage. Let's copy this and let's use ChatGPT. Summarize the following frequency table for a research paper in a paragraph. And one more thing, let's mark it with an asterisk. Let's copy it again. The variable is marked with an asterisk or like this, followed by the frequency and percentage for each category in the demographic variable. Now give your table and press enter. Here is the summary of the table that you can instantly copy into your research paper or thesis. Just make sure you read what you are getting and just cross-check once so that you know that every detail that is provided is correct. So what I'm going to do is, for now, paste it here. Got this one. And you can write here that demographic profile of respondents is presented in table 1. Table 1, demographic profile of respondents. Here it is. Now what you can do is right click, auto fit to window, and we can do one more thing here. Go to layout, I'm just going to delete this empty space that I actually do not need. So I'm just going to put this one here, this one here, type of employment here, job rank here, type of bank here. Now I can delete this empty column as well. And I do not need so many totals like after each variable. I can just have the total in the end or at the end of the table. You do not need this asterisk. And here are your results. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for demographic profile of respondents. Just double check that these details provided in this text match the table. Thank you very much.